Good evening, boys and girls, and moms and dads. Tonight is your second lesson in capacity. What I'd like you to do tonight is to watch the capacity video that's the first link on the Moodle site. After you're finished with the video, there's a capacity discussion forum for you to add to that asks you questions about the gallon, quart, pint, and cup. When you're finished with that, I'm going to ask you to enter a journal prompt that says what was one cool thing that you're going to remember about that video. And then at the end, you're going to do an adapted mind activity that will measure your understanding of the capacity of different containers. So that's the first four things on our Moodle site. And then here is another way for you to remember equivalent measures. And the big G, the G here represents gallons. The Q represents quarts, so that shows that there's 4 quarts in a gallon. The P represents pints, 2 pints in 1 quart. And then the C represents cups, and there's 2 cups in 1 pint, and on and on. So I want you to look this over as you're doing these different activities, and then come back to if you need to. And then your home links for tonight, and on the back is where you're going to be writing the one journal entry. But your home links tonight is where you have to find a recipe, copy the ingredients and amounts that are used in that recipe and bring it to school. And then do a what's my rule using a gallon as your 1 gallon equals 4 quarts as your rule. Down in the bottom, you will be practicing adding and subtracting 2-digit numbers. So go ahead and use and look at this as many times as you need to. Watch the video as many times as you need to, and then come back and answer the questions that were asked in the Moodle site. Thanks, and have fun tonight.